Hello students, teachers, parents, history nerds, hello everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Today we are going to continue our Ancient Civilizations series by looking at early civilizations of Africa. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Okay, let's go. Africa includes tropical rainforests, grassy plains called savannas, and deserts such as the vast Sahara. Deserts, rainforests, the interior plateau, and rivers with cataracts or waterfalls limited travel and trade. On the other hand, an interior valley and the Mediterranean and Red Seas provided overseas trade routes to Asia and Europe. By AD 200, camel caravans helped transport goods across the Sahara. Valuable minerals also encouraged trade. Before 2500 BC, there were grasslands and savanna in the Sahara. Due to climate change, however, the area slowly dried up and became desert, a process called desertification. As a result, people migrated to find new farmland. Between 1000 BC and AD 1000, people from West Africa moved south and east. They spoke Bantu languages. These Bantu peoples merged with existing peoples and brought skills in farming and ironworking. About 2700 BC, the civilization of Nubia, or Kush, developed on the Upper Nile. Egypt controlled Nubia for about 500 years, beginning in 1500 BC. Early Nubian culture was influenced by Egyptian architecture and religion. Forced to move by Assyrian invaders, the Nubians established a new capital in Meroe about 500 BC. Meroe developed into a successful trade center. Nearby areas were rich in iron ore and timber. Using wood to fuel smelting furnaces, the Nubians made iron tools and weapons, improving their defense. The Nubians also established a new religion and a system of writing. In AD 350, Nubia was conquered by an invader from the south, King Ezana of Aksum. While Nubia was thriving along the Nile, Carthage emerged along the Mediterranean in North Africa. Founded by Phoenician traders, Carthage forged a huge empire from 800 BC to 146 BC. At the end of the Third Punic War, however, Rome destroyed Carthage. The Romans then utilized North Africa's farmlands to provide grain for their armies. They also built roads and cities, and later brought Christianity to the area. Muslim Arabs took control of North Africa in the 690s. Islam replaced Christianity, and traders later carried the religion to West Africa. Arabic replaced Latin as North Africa's main language. Now a quick recap. Africa's geography had a little bit of everything: lush rainforests, sweeping savannas, and the Sahara, which went from grassy getaway to scorching sand trap, thanks to climate change. This forced people to pack up and move, spreading Bantu languages and ironworking skills along the way. Meanwhile, Nubia had its moment in the sun, borrowing from Egypt before setting up shop in Meroe, where they became iron pros. Carthage tried to rule the Mediterranean, but got steamrolled by Rome, which farmed the land and spread Christianity, until Muslim Arabs arrived in the 690s and switched things up with Islam and Arabic. Trade, conquest, and the occasional invasion kept Africa's history anything but boring. There you have it, folks. That is early civilizations of Africa nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by, Nutshelled History. Don't forget to go nuts on those like and subscribe buttons for me. Tell us how nuts you went in the comments down below. I'll see y'all next time on Nutshelled History.